was leaving.
Okay, the train started.
We're in a fake train.
Fake
It's
train
not.
97.
It looks like a real train, but you can tell because the gears at the front do not move. There's wheels under it. This is actually my first time riding in a mall train, but I've rode in a real train, and not very far because it's a real train. They use wheel trains. It's not fake.
Is this train ever gonna leave?
Okay, this is like where I'm gonna record basically. His head? No, that's not good. Oh,
And the gods of 2075.
This is all right.
Shop view left. Shop view right. Hey, we have
basically, this is the Galleria Mall.
William, how do you get out of the back there? Do you know that?
Hey, we're passing one of these things.
Candy.
What?
This is so effing odd. I've never done this, but it's so effing
It's
odd.
so weird.
This is so weird.
It's
Super rides. I don't know who rides trains in malls.
I'm cruising through the mall on the train.
Like, wait, let's just go to Build-A-Bear workshop later.
It's just so. It's just
We
so
need to.
odd.
We need to this week because I actually need to get Squirtle Bear. Yes, we're gonna go there and get a Squirtle Bear. Oh my God, he looks cool. He has the Master Ball on, William. That's what you get with him, the
Wait,
Master
do
Ball.
they still do the water show thing?
Oh, do they?
I
They
thought
should.
they did. Like some show. Do they still do that show?
What show?
They did a show
Weird.
here.
Yeah, that was a long time ago. They don't do it anymore. They tore it all out. It's gone.
What was it?
Why?
That's the only water that's left in here. It's right
Oh
there.
yeah, I remember the water show. I wonder why they tore it out. I'd like to watch.
Elevator stretchers. The number one place for Shaws.
Why did we
For
stop?
babies.
I have no idea why we stopped.
And then there's the players.
We're just going full
That's
blast.
what we all need is the
I don't
players.
know why we stopped. You guys are super.
What
super
the?
weird.
Okay,
Fidgy witches.
okay.
Nobody
This
needs Fidgy witches
It's
anymore.
horrible. This is what society's
Pop
become.
ribs.
That's what society.
Oh, those are for your
Oh, I saw that. It goes on the back of your phone or
I
whatever.
want one actually.
Goes on the back of your butt.
That would actually be good for recording because you just be like this. Over here.
That pineapple.
Just a pile. There's no pile under the seat. Where's SpongeBob?
Oh.
Why do we keep stopping?
Because there's bad people in the game, dude. They don't
Yeah.
want to move.
We're trying to hit people.
I just got a dabbing kid on.
Wait, he dabbed?
Yeah, on video.
Oh, that's cool.
You're doing what?
I'm gonna say must watch. Kid dabbing. Saw.
No way.
Win $10,000 today.
Yeah.
Butters in a car.
Butters has been entered for that car.
Yeah, we never
Butters
won.
is gonna win that car. Butters will win the car. And then
I
there's the
cannot
next
believe this thing goes the entire length of the mall and all the way back in.
I'm like 5 minutes too.
Oh, they don't say oh my goodness.
There's an H&M. It's boring. I'll tell you later.
This is like one of the first vlogs in a mall on my channel. I'm gonna upload